Uh, any queries on the topics that we have discussed in the past? Hello?
Hi Shreya, this is Sayed.
Yeah, hi Sayed.
Regarding about SN utilities, when we are checking generally on the table,
Mhm.
actually it was showing as an active like those. I can share my screen once again.
Why we are using SN utils on table, I don't understand.
No. When we
Oh
are
yeah, you can share the screen. Maybe it will
yeah.
be more clear.
Mm, yeah. Uh, Actually,
Mm.
here it's showing right
Mm.
related links is showing as an active. Okay, but here there will be the extension should be active, right? But it's not showing anywhere the question mark like you. Yeah, it's here, right?
Mm.
Yeah, it's showing. Yeah, thank you.
You
Previously it
can
was not showing, so I was worried where it.
no, you have to be on the ServiceNow page while accessing it. That's and this question mark page is for just seeing the details of the thing.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah,
Okay, yeah.
yeah.
And you can pin this so you can use it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm taking over the screen now. Is
Oh,
it
sure,
okay?
sure. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Hi all. So today let's discuss something like assignment rules and all. Is it okay?
Take the screen.
Screen is visible.
My screen.
I think I'm sharing the screen now. Okay, let me stop share and reshare.
Yeah, okay.
You can also stop share over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yes.
So today we'll discuss about assignment rules and dependency choice creation. Okay, so these two concepts are very important. What is dependency choice creation? So you see two fields here, category and subcategory. Okay, in category you have some options, in subcategory you have some options, right? So usually what happens, based on your category selection, subcategory will populate the choices. Like if I say software, okay, the relevant software options are populated. If I say hardware, the relevant choice options of hardware are populated. Okay, if it is network options are populated. So your subcategory is completely dependent on the category selection. Is it clear, guys? Hello? I'm audible?
Yeah, Shreya.
You guys got it right? What we are going to replicate, because likewise we are going to replicate something. That's the reason. Okay, category, based on my category selection, subcategory will populate choices. See, if it is database, DB2, which is database 2, MySQL Server, Oracle. If it is hardware choices will be enabled, like CPU, disk, keyboard, memory, monitor, mouse. And if it is software choices will be enabled, like email, operating system. If it is inquiry related options are available here. Okay, so based on your subcategory selection, category selection, subcategory choices are been enabled. So let's replicate the same. Just go to configure and go to form layout, because we need two fields. So let's take form layout. We all know what is a custom field creation, right? From form layout, you have option to create a new field. Even from form designer, you can do that, even from form builder, but I am very comfortable going with form layout. So I'll be choosing a field called food options. And here you have a type as choice. Okay, add it. And another is a food choices. And let's suppose someone has made it string, but in future, if they want to modify to a other type of field, like I have taken food choice as a string, but it should be choice field, right? Because category, subcategory are choice fields. If I create something like this, I don't want to go and create a duplicate of food choice again, because system doesn't allow me to create a two fields with similar name. You got it, guys? So what I can do in that scenario, from string to choice type, how do we change those options? You got it? Why the prefix is starting with u underscore for the value? Can someone help me? Hello? Uh, Chandrahas, Krishna, Mahesh. Can someone let me know why the choice is starting with u underscore?
Shreya, because it is customized and we are creating.
Yes. And now, see, this is a string field. Over here, both the fields are of choice type. You got it? Now, if I have to create this as a choice type, what should I do? Right click, go to configure dictionary, go to configure. Okay. Take the value as choice. Okay. And update it. See, food option, food choices. Both of them are choices, choice fields now. You got it? If by mistakenly you have created it as a string field, you can just give a right click, go to configure dictionary of that particular field and modify the type of the field. Okay, now let's add choices. There are two ways to add choices. One is a regular way, which is right click, configure choices. Veg food, non-veg food, add and save it. Veg, non-veg, diet. Here we have to add the choices. Veg, non-veg, diet. So configure dictionary you have to open. This is the other way to create the choices. Scroll complete down, you will find a choice tab. And here you can create the choices like label name. Let's say veg food. We have a honey pizza. This is also the way to create a choices, guys. Paneer pizza. Mushroom fry. And let's give like vegetable biryani. Okay. If you want to set any frequent like sequence, I want to see mushroom fry on the top, then you can give the value as 0 for this. For paneer pizza it is 1. For vegetable biryani it is 2. Okay. Update. See, veg food, non-veg food, diet food. Now we have created mushroom fry, paneer pizza, vegetable biryanis. Okay. Now I'll right click again, create more non-veg choices. Okay, either you have choices option, you can create it from here. What is the other way also? I'll show you. Like chicken 65. Chicken biryani. So you can give the order again. Sequence is purely your choice again. It's not a mandatory field. Okay, you can save it. Now, if you want to create 3 more choices which are for diet food, you can just click here. This is the other way to create the choices. You can just click on new. And here you can give the value like vegetable salad, sequence of 6. Okay, save. Now what I'm going to do, I'm modifying the value. Okay, insert and stay. That means whatever the record we are going to it will be inserted into the list and we'll be staying on the same page. That's the reason we'll be using insert and stay. So okay, insert. Now if you come here, total 9 choices are been there. You guys got it? Hello?
Yes, Shreya.
Yes.
Yeah. So now let's go to our incident form. Still yet we haven't built this dependency. We have just created 2 custom fields. Those two of the fields of type choice, and we have added the options here. Like here, I want to have veg, non-veg, and diet food. Here, all the 9 choices have been displayed. Now, how to create this dependency choice? So again, just give a right click on food choices. Go to dictionary. Here you have a option called advanced view. You can just click here. Use dependent field. You can enable this. Once you enable it, on what field it has to be dependent, you have to give. This is a food choice. Food options is the field that it has to be dependent, right? So scroll to F and select food options. Okay. And after coming here, you have to give the dependent value. What is dependent value? Let's open our incident table. Incident form, anything is fine, sorry. So here we have choices. The label names veg food. So let's do one thing. Just give a right click. Go to dictionary of this food options. Here value label, like label name value. So you have to copy the value. Whenever you write even scripts, value is important. So paneer pizza should be reflected under veg food. So you have to give veg food. And vegetable biryani. It should be reflected under veg food. Mushroom fry. This should be reflected under veg food. Diet food. What is diet food? We have given chicken salad. Paneer salad. Vegetable salad. Okay. And here you have a non-veg food. You can just copy and give it for the empty values. Okay. And we haven't discussed this. We have completed the filter conditions, right? Hello.
Yes, Shreya.
Okay. If all the three rows I can update in a go, you can just have to select shift down arrow. How many rows you want to update in a go, you can do it this pattern. Okay. Now save this changes. Now let's open our incident record. Refresh it. Veg food. See, mushroom fry, paneer pizza, vegetable biryani. Non-veg food. Chicken 65, mutton biryani, fish and chips. The same sequence which I have defined. Diet food, vegetable salad, paneer salad, chicken salad. Did you get it now how the same functionality has been created?
Yes, Shreya.
Okay. Yeah. So you can also just replicate the same on your incident form, because in future we never know on what table, on what form they are going to ask us to create such functionality. Okay. This is called a dependency choice creation. I'll just give you a recap here. Two fields of choice type are created. And on the first field, I have given three options like veg food, non-veg food, and diet food. And on the second option, I have given almost 9 choices, but only three should reflect under diet food. What are those? Using dependency choice creation, we have enabled this particular functionality. So you can also reuse this recording. If you have any queries, you can also ping me one-to-one, or we can also discuss about this in tomorrow's class. Okay. But meantime, we'll discuss something else like what are assignment lookup rules. Is it fine?
Yeah, Shreya.
Yeah. So, what are assignment? The word assignment itself says that assignment group and assign to. So we have assignment lookup rules. In ServiceNow, this assignment lookup rules are very important. So assignment lookup rules under system policy. Open a new tab. Already there is one out of the box example. That means there is some demo example. When the category is inquiry, subcategory is email. Okay, it has to be assigned to Fred Lurdy. So this is a example they have given. So you can also test it. See, category is inquiry and subcategory is email. It is assigned to Fred. You got it? This is the example they have given, but let's try it. So here, this assignment lookup rules are executed on this table, which is DL underscore U underscore assignment group. And this specially works on these 4 options. What are those? Category, subcategory, configuration item, and location. That means configuration item is there, location is missing, means we will get that field. Okay. Let's. So you have this search option, location. Drag and drop it to your selected list. Next to this configuration item, I'm just locating it. See, category, subcategory, configuration item, and location. Based on this select 4 fields, this assignment lookup rules work. What they are going to do, let's say my category is network, my subcategory, what are the choices under network comes? IP address, DHCP, DNS, VPN, wireless. So it is wireless. And in configuration item, you have so many options, like you can select any of the configuration item, and based on caller we'll see the location. Okay, if it is able. Okay, what are the locations? Okay, this is the location comes under researchers quadrant. Okay, so I'm creating a category as network, subcategory as wireless, configuration item as this, and location as this, and you need not to worry on this data what to select. Your client will explicitly provide you this information. Okay, we usually have a BA. BA is nothing but a business analyst who is going to gather the requirement from our client, and he'll be sharing whatever we have to create, or what is your requirement information will be shared from your client to developer or operations team by a BA. BA is a business analyst who is like a bridge for communicating the requirements from the client to development team. Okay, so now my requirement is that whenever category is network, subcategory is wireless, configuration item is any IBM, location is this, it has to be assigned to network group. And assigned to is, who is part of this network group, let's see. Sys underscore user underscore group dot list. We have 6 group members: Fred, ITIL, David Dan, David Lou, let's say David Lou. Save it. That means whenever the category, subcategory, configuration item and location matches, it has to directly assign it to assignment group and they assign to user. What is the usual method whenever there is a new incident? Based on the short description and description, help desk team will assign it to the assignment group. Why? Assignment group is responsible in providing the resolution. Let's say this is network, this is wireless, and configuration item is this. Okay, see? You got it, guys? Or you want me to explain with one more example?
Share one
Hello?
more example, please. Can
Sure, no problem. Assignment lookup rules. Under system policy, you have this rules. Just open this. Now, you can help me with these options. I don't know to whom I'm speaking. Is it Krishna?
say Sayed.
Sayed, yeah,
Yeah.
Sayed. So, you can select the choices. Based on that, we'll be filling the assignment group. We can figure out a requirement.
Yeah, hardware. Can we go with hardware? Yeah.
Okay, what should be the subcategory?
Can we go with keyboard or disk? Disk, yeah.
Keyboard. Okay. And do you want to have anything of configuration item location? It's not mandatory. It's
Not
your
mandatory. Yeah. Yeah, we can
it's
select
your
random.
decision.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's just go to new. Okay. When the category is hardware, when the subcategory is keyboard, okay, it has to be assigned to hardware team. That is a requirement. Okay. So they'll give this requirement. This is whenever the category is hardware, subcategory is keyboard, the assignment group should be hardware. So please create something like this. They give the requirement. So yeah, it's not even necessary to fill the assigned to information, but if you want to fill it, you can. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Submit. I just given this 3 values. Now we'll just reload. See, after modifying something, it's a good practice to refresh. Okay.
They will also indicate about the priorities, like the impact and everything. Those all we
No,
won't.
no, no. Those all will like check in other method. Okay. Only assignment lookup rule varies on this 4 fields.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So hardware and keyboard. See, assignment group is auto-populated as hardware. Okay. Now this is done. I think everyone are okay with this. Or you want me to explain another example? Hello?
I'm okay, Shreya. I'm okay.
Yeah. Let's take another scenario here, which is assignment rules. This is assignment data lookup rules, which completely executes on category, subcategory, configuration item, and location. But what is the difference between assignment rules and assignment lookup rules? Now let's go and see what are assignment rules. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Assignment. So under system policy, you have a assignment. Okay. These are called as assignment rules. Okay. So when you open assignment rules, there are many compared to what they were on lookup rules. What is the difference? See, sys rule underscore assignment is a table where all the assignment rules are mastered. over here also you can see what is the label. This is the label name, this is the value. Okay, just give a right click on new button. Sorry, just click on new button. You have to give a name for this assignment rules. Let's say now my conditions are that their channel is chat, state is in progress, impact is one high. Okay, and description contains P5, or description says priorities 3 moderate. You're getting? It has to meet all these conditions, like channel is chat, state is in progress, sorry, impact is one high, and description starts with today is Monday. Okay, let's keep it simple. Today is Monday, then it has to be assigned to cab approvals group. That's a requirement. So I'll just write it here. What is my requirement? Channel is chat. State is in progress. Description starts with today is Monday. And you can pick anything again. Caller also, if you have some caller is Andrew. Okay. It has to be assigned to tab approvals. This is the requirement. Guys, are you clear?
Yes, Shreya.
Now let's give a name. Okay. Scenario 1. And here applies to, see, select a table, specify the conditions that must be met before the assignment, before the task is assigned to a user or a group. The rule is applied only if the task is not already assigned to any other user or a group. That means if already selected, this particular assignment group is not going to be executed again. If it is a fresh record, it will be executed. That is what they are meaning. Use assignment rules to automatically assign tasks to users or a group. Okay, scenario 1 I have given. Here conditions. See, you were asking me, right? Can't we do it with impact and all? So using this method, you can. You got it now, sir?
Yeah, Shreya. So we need this impacted schools.
Every field.
Yeah.
See, you'll have every field that is there on our instant table. Okay. Based on your own conditions, you can create this. But lookup rules, like assignment lookup rules, works only on 4 conditions, like category, subcategory, location, and a configuration item.
Yeah.
But this assignment rules are not like that. You have to create your own conditions.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Yeah. See, channel is chat, state is in progress, impact is one high. And description starts with today is Monday. What should happen? It has to be assigned to a user or a group. You can choose both again. Okay. See, again, I'm telling you, there is a group called ServiceNow team. Okay. We have 5 members like X, Y, Z, A, B. Okay. Only those 5 members are available. You cannot call C from that group who is not part of that group. You are getting it? That means when I select a group here, the users who are part of that group only can be selected under user list. If I don't select a group, I can select any user from the entire list. You got it? See, 663 users are there. I can select any user here. But if I'm explicitly selecting a group called cab approvals or something else, let's say service desk. So users who are part of this group can only be part of this user selection. Is it clear or you want me to explain this?
Yeah, clear, Shreya. So we will add these rules to the particular group, right?
Whatever the conditions we are giving,
Yeah.
if the system feels like there is a match between the assignment rules that are existing, it will assign it to particular group.
Okay.
See, service desk. When I open this particular group, what happens? I can see who are all part of this group. I don't know. This group table is a little different. Let me open it again. Groups. Under user administration, we'll be opening. paste it. Open service desk. You have 3 users: Beth Anglin, Dravidlu, ITIL user. Okay. Let's just come here and select any of the user. Out of this 3 only you can select. Why? You have selected a group. So people who are part of that group only can be the users. You cannot assign it to Vivan who is not part of that group. It is not a good practice. Why? Because assignment group and assigned to are interlinked to each other. Guys, is it clear? If you're not selecting the assignment group, you can add it to a user. That is okay. But see, when it comes to real time, all the time we look for group and the user from that group. So just go with any of these 3 users. Let's say Beth. Save it. Refresh. Okay. State is in progress. Channel is chat. Impact is 1. Today is Monday. Test. See, it was assigned to service desk and the family. Did you guys get it? Hello?
Shreya, if we select only one user, can we get an assignment group for that user?
No. When you see all the time, groups only hold user information for assigned to. Okay. And even in real time, you'll not assign directly to any person. You'll assign it to a group, and from that group, someone will be working on your case. That is the best practice to follow.
Okay.
Okay. But you can assign it to a single user from here, but that is not considered as a good practice. But if you want, I'll show you that example again. See, I have removed group and user, and randomly I'm assigning it to Arya. Okay. Updating it. If you just reload, anyhow, this record is already existing, so you have to check it on your record. Page 100. In progress. 1 high. If you're not meeting any of the condition, the segment rule will not be triggered. Did I miss anything? I think I have received this. Let's refresh and see, otherwise we'll create a new record. Okay. Did you get it?
Yes, Shreya.
Okay, we can assign it to individual users, but see, when it comes to real time, why we create this incident? Whenever we have an issue, what happens? This goes to service desk. What the service desk do? They read our short description, and to the relevant group, they are going to assign it. Okay, from that group, it will populate. We can select the user or system. Like let's say, the cases regarding database. So it will be assigned to database team, and from database team, let's say we have 6 users, 4 of them are already working on some different cases. So out of the 2 users, someone can assign this case on their name and they can start working on this case, and they will reach out to Ellen Morton, and they are going to provide the resolution for the issue what caller is been facing with. You got it? So all the time go with the assignment group, and let's see, I'll show you one more example here. Stay and let's take a new record. I have selected database. And in this list, I can see all the users who are part of that group. You got it? If you want, you can just go back. From URL, you can also directly open this user table. User table, WordPress. Should be okay, open database. See, 4 users. ITL user, Rishi, but right. The 4 users list is available. You got it now? Hello?
Yes, Shreya.
Yeah. So, what are the good practices also? It's my duty to teach. That's the reason. We'll never assign a case to any individual user. Coming to real time, it is already always assigned to a group. From that group, someone is going to work on your case. Okay? Is it clear? Hello?
It's clear, Shreya.
Yeah, please, guys, please respond. Otherwise, I don't know, right? So let's take one more scenario for the same. Okay. See, I have two set of conditions. Set of conditions is that channel is chat, state is in progress, impact is 1, description is this. It has to be assigned to a ARIA. What is my other set of conditions? It has to be assigned to ARIA, but the set of conditions are different. Okay. Instead of creating one more assignment pool, I can use this OR clause. Okay. What is the user for or? All of these conditions are met. If the set A conditions are met, it assigns to ARIA. Otherwise, it will look for set B conditions. Here we'll say channel as phone and caller. Let's pick some caller name is Vivan and short description contains December and categories software. Okay, these are my second set of conditions. Save it. Reload. Return my second set of condition. Channel is phone. First December 2024. And V1 should be the user. Okay. And the category software. Save it. See? OR clause. That means for the same output, if you have two different conditions, we will be using OR clause. Not only here, even on UI policies, you can use this OR clause. Let's say now I'll take a fresh record. I'm not meeting my set of conditions. Like I'll meet 3 conditions, but not the 4th one. What happens? We'll see. So what is my first condition? Channel is chat. Second, state is in progress. What is third? Impact is 1 high. Okay. So it is not assigned to ARIA because we are working on AND operator here. Let's say or over here I'm just giving or description. Yes. Description starts with today is Monday. This is why I ask you to practice the filter conditions. Refresh. Go with new record. This is chat. This is in progress. This is 1 high. Save it. See, in this scenario, it is again assigned to Arya because I have given all description starts with today's Monday. If you want, now I'll skip impact. I'll take description as today's Monday. Again, it assigns to Arya. Okay, this is chart. This is in progress. I'm not modifying impact. Today is Monday, 23rd. Okay, save it. No, it is not assigned. Time is to save it. Okay, impact is running on AND operator, guys, or impact. I got it. Impact is one high or exception. So starts with today's Monday. This reload. Assign it to some color. 10 minutes start. State is in progress.
Shreya,
Hmm?
Shreya, your voice is not clear for me, Shreya.
Is it for all?
Yes.
I'm audible now?
No, Shreya, it's very low. It's too low actually.
Is it fine?
Yeah, Shreya.
Okay, fine. I just adjusted my mic. I'm sorry. So see, what I have done here, I have given OR operator. Previous, these two are running on AND operator. They have to be, these two conditions have to come to, otherwise system never give you output. In the OR operator, what happens? Even if it is meeting one of the condition, it will give the result as true. So see, impact is not one high, still it is assigned to Arya because it was meeting this requirement. Today is Monday. Yes, I even written it on short description. It was executed because it was a OR operator. Let's check for one more record. So that's the reason OR is never a accurate. It will never generate an accurate result. Okay, today is Monday. In progress and chart. Save it. See, it is assigned to Arya. Okay, so I just want to make you understand the importance of filter conditions. So I have used this example, but coming to real time, only few times you will have this use of using this OR clause. But yes, whenever you have two different set of conditions, again the output should be same. You will have this OR clause. You can directly use it. Is it clear? Hello, guys,
Shreya,
I'm audible.
Yeah, yes, Shreya, yes, Shreya.
Yes, Shreya, clear.
Okay. Dictionary override. Let's work on this. Compose the file close. Okay, I don't want to add too much to your brains in a day one. So, dictionary override is a feature in ServiceNow that allows a field in a child table to have a different field, different value or behavior than the same field in the parent table. That means a dictionary override is a feature in ServiceNow that allows a field in child table to have a different value or behavior than the same field on the parent table. That means I'll give you a real-time scenario. I will take a new record here. I'm on new record 528. Okay, refresh it 529. Refresh it 530. My client says that every time with a refresh, the number should not be auto incremented. Only when we submit all the mandatory fields and save it, number should be displayed. That's the requirement of the client. You got it? How to achieve it? Using a dictionary override. How to build this dictionary override functionality? Right click, Go to configure dictionary. Scroll complete down, you have dictionary override. Okay, just click on new, as we are going to create a new dictionary override on incident table. So you have to select the table name, incident, and on the number field we are going to do this. So override default value, just check here, submit it. Refresh. Open any incident form. Incident.2. See, okay, I'll open it in new tab so it will be easy for you guys. Incident.2. Now fill the mandatory fields. If you want, you can also test that. Save it. See, it is assigned to Arya. That means my assignment lookup rules are also executed as well. The number is incremented now. If I reload it for 100 times also, the number remains the same. And if I just go to new record, the number will be empty. Unless I save the record, it doesn't populate. If you want, see, just filling the mandatory fields. There is some client script that is being executed. See, 32. Refresh, no change. Okay. Let's say on the dictionary override, instead of having this same number field, if I work for a company called Apple, okay, I want to have like Apple 15. Save it. The default value you can also set it. Open a new record. Just make the SysID to -1. This is a shortcut to open a new record. See, it is Apple 15. Even after saving, it remains the same. So I'm just giving the mandatory fields. Even if you go with new record, again the by default it will be Apple 15 now. You cannot modify until unless you change it on the dictionary override. See, if you want to just get back to the normal, just go to the override functionality, whatever we have set up now. Uncheck this, update. Refresh your form. Make the SysID to -1. See, now I'm 33. If I reload, it will be 34. You got it? This is the definition of override. That means this incident table has been inherited from our task table. We are not working on the task table number field. We are working on the incident table number field. And this only permits to this table. It doesn't affects your parent table. That is what they are saying. A feature in ServiceNow that allows a field in child table to have a different value or behavior than the same field in the parent table. Is it clear? Hello?
Clear, Shreya.
Yeah. That's it, guys. We'll connect tomorrow. Is it okay?
Okay.
Shreya,